Good morning, students of class 8A. In the period of arithmetic, we have studied sets and explanation was done. In the last class, you saw the definition of a set and the way of representation of sets. Those were two: set builder form and tabular form. Tabular form is also known as roster form. And now we are going to start this exercise 6A, in which the first question is write the following sets in roster form. And Roman number 1, that is the set I of letters in the word important. So the name of the set is I, so we'll write here I equal to, middle bracket starts. We write all these letters avoiding the repetition. So the first letter is I, then M, then P, O, R, T, A, and N. These are the roster form set I of this word important. Question number 1, Roman number 3. The set builder form of the set B is given x such that x belongs to whole number and x square is smaller than equal to 30. So we have to find out the values of x while x belongs to whole number. In question number 1, Roman number 3, this set builder form is given x such that x belongs to whole number and x square is smaller than equal to 30. So we will take such values of x square that should be smaller than or equal to 30. So first should be 0, x belongs to 0, but it is not written in the answer. So first we will take x equal to 1 square equal to 1, that is 1 square equal to 1, that is smaller than 30. Second, if you take the value of x2, then it will be 2 2s are 4. 4 is also smaller than 30. We can take 3 3s are 9, that is also smaller than 30. We take 4 4s are 16, that is also smaller than 30. We take 5 5s are 25, that is also smaller than 30. And if we take 6 6s are 36, that is greater than 30. So we will not take this value. Our elements of roster form became 1 4 9 16 and 25. Close inside the middle bracket. Our next question is 1, Roman number 5. The set builder form is given. Set F is the word furniture. So we have to prepare the roster form. We write the letters without repetition. First is F, second is U, third is R, fourth N, fifth I, then T, then U is repeated. U is repeated here, so we will not repeat in the set as the element. R is also written, so again we will not write R, and then last is E. So this became the roster form. In question number 2, list the elements of the following. This question is given in the set builder form. We are asked to write this in roster form. While this condition is given x such that x equal to 4y, y belongs to natural number and 3 is smaller than equal to y is smaller than 6. So the values, this is our rough space. the values of y are limited, that is 3, 4 and 5. These are less than equal to 3. 3 is smaller than equal to means y is greater than equal to 3. So we will start from 3 because this symbol of equal to is given. For that we start from 3 and y is less than 6. So till 5 we can write. These three values we have y equal to. But x is equal to 4y. Now if you take y equal to 3, then 4y equal to 4 into 3 equal to 12. So our first element became 12. Now if you take y equal to 4, then 4y equal to 4 into 4 equal to 16. So second element became 16. And after that, if you take y equal to this is 4, y equal to, if y equal to 4, y equal to 4, if y equal to 5, then 4y equal to 4 into 5 equal to 20. So this third element became 20. Roster form of this set builder form became 12, 16 and 20. In question number 2, Roman number 3, the set builder form of set D is x such that 4x minus 3 is smaller than equal to 21 and x belongs to natural number. We keep such value of x. Keeping that value in this equation, we will get the value of smaller than equal to 21. So first value, if you take 1, x equal to 1, then we keep the value of x in this equation, 4x minus 3 equal to 4 into 1 minus 3 equal to 1. So this is smaller than equal to 21. So the first element became 1. First element became 1, this one. And the second natural number, that is 2, we keep this value in this equation, 4 into 2 minus 3 equal to 8 minus 3 equal to 5. So second element became 2. Third, if we take x equal to 3, then 4 into 3 minus 3 equal to 9, and 9 is also smaller than equal to 21. So third element became 3. Then fourth, if we take x equal to 4, we have not taken 4 here, we will take x equal to 4 into 4 minus 3, 4 4 is 16, minus 3, 13. So 4 is also one element. Now if you take x equal to 5, 5 into 4 into 5 minus 3, 20 minus 3 equal to 17, that is also smaller than equal to 21. So our next element became 5. And after that we take x equal to 6. After that we take x equal to 6, that is 4 6 is 24. 24 minus 3, 24 minus 3, that is equal to 21, that is also equal to 21. The symbol is there, so we can take till 21. So this element will also write 6. So these are the values of x. These are the value of x. After keeping in this equation those values of x, we are getting the result is smaller than 21 or equal to 21. These values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will keep in mind, in rough calculation I have not 7 4, but 4 will also one element. Our next question is 3. Write the set of Roman number 1 if m is all odd factors of 125. Odd factors, such as the first odd factor will be 1, because we can divide 125 by 1 and that is completely divisible. We get the quotient as 125. Now if we take second odd factor as 3 and we divide 125 by 3, so this is not completely divisible. This is not completely divisible. So this we can't take as the odd factor of 125. 125 should be completely divisible by odd factor. Now 4 is not odd, second will take 5. by 5, 125 is completely divisible, that we can write here 25. So if you write the elements of set M, the first element became 1, second element became 5. Similarly, third element you will find 25, and last element you will get 125, because this number 125 is completely divisible by itself. So the elements of M became 1, 5, 25 and 125. Now our question number is 3, Roman number 3, in which O is all squares of natural number less than 10. So our words numbers are limited here. This is our rough space. Words are limited. This is rough space for this question. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the natural numbers that is less than 10. Here we have to write the squares of these natural numbers. Those will be the element of set A. So square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, square of 6 is 36, square of 7 is 49, square of 8 is 64, square of 9 is 81. So these are the elements of set A.